Here we go. We're back at Marine City trying it out. Ton full of different boats out there. I had my dad with me. We came here about 7:30 in the morning. He's officially snagged. One thing I did do, I'll show you guys right now, is 1 ounce weights. 1 ounce jig head. Can you guys see this guy right there? Trying him out, see if it works. So far, nothing. But he's got a big old snag. Trying to figure that out. He swears it's following him wherever he goes. So hopefully we catch something. Trying it out a little bit differently. Right here at the Marine City Lighthouse. I got a feeling he's going to be cutting his line soon. Ton full of boats out today though. Unbelievable amount. What we found is that by our favorite lighthouse, when you have by the rails, there is an object that's probably about 30 feet long, about 10 feet off, that is a hook grabber. So we lost a bunch of lures. So my dad and I decided we're gonna kind of get away from where you can see where our tackle box is and net. So try to stay away from over there. We're going to Algonac. Yeah. Where are we at? We're at Algonac. About 10-15 miles south of where we were at. I'm gonna try it out. The water's a different color here. Doesn't it seem like it?
Yeah.
A little bit more blue. Yeah. Look at all those boats. No fish yet. Still in Algonac. Saw our first boat that actually caught a walleye in front. He's actually off there in the distance. Got a couple fishermen off to our north, and they haven't caught anything yet. We're trying. It might get twisted. You might need more leader on it. He's trying to bottom bouncer. He's already snagged over there. So we knew that there was a big laker coming out, headed from basically the downtown Detroit area coming our way, and we're waiting for it, and we heard it, and we think that it is across the river on the other side of the island that you see. That land there is an island. There's the freighter. Too far away to read what it is. All done fishing. I caught, didn't catch. Had one on the line. Dad swears there's a big weed fish. Felt like a big fish. And she let go. So now we're here at car show. Yeah, compared to what we have now.